Fennel seeds are tiny but mighty. They come from the fennel plant. This plant has feathery leaves and a bulb. People have used fennel seeds for centuries. They have a distinct flavor. You might recognize it from Italian sausages. Fennel seeds are more than just a spice. They are full of good things for your body. These seeds can help your digestion. They can even make your breath fresher. Let's find out more. Fennel seeds are packed with nutrients. They are low in calories. This makes them a healthy choice. They contain fiber, which is important for digestion. Fennel seeds also have vitamins and minerals. These are vital for good health. Some of these include vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients work together to keep your body strong. Fennel seeds can help your digestive system. They can relieve bloating and gas. Studies show that fennel seeds can calm the muscles in your gut. This can ease discomfort after meals. Fennel seeds are also good for your breath. They have antimicrobial properties. These properties fight bad breath. Chewing on a few fennel seeds can freshen your breath naturally. Adding fennel seeds to your diet is easy. You can chew on them after meals. This is a common practice in India. You can also add them to your cooking. Fennel seeds add a warm flavor to savory dishes. They are delicious in bread and curries. You can even find fennel tea at the supermarket. Enjoy the taste and the health benefits.